Clean lines start with understanding the needle. We'll quickly move on to the first part of the training. Before anything else, you need to understand tattoo needles. In this video, which is part 1 of the beginner tattoo tutorial, we focus on RL needles and their basic uses. RL needles stand for round liner. They have a dense, round formation and are used at the beginner level for tight line work and filling areas with concentrated ink. For dense line work, the device voltage can be set between 8 to 9 volts depending on your machine. The needle should extend about 2 to 2.5 millimeters from the tip, and only 1/3 to half of this amount should penetrate the skin. As soon as the needle touches the ink, it draws the ink into the tip, ready for line work. In dense line technique, the needle movement starts from above the skin, gently lands, moves along the line at a steady speed, and then lifts at the end. Practice these exercises for at least 40 hours to prepare for the next stage of training. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more free tattoo lessons.